Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So, Astro is here. Tignan po natin ang guided message that is meant for you to know at handa mo nang malaman. Ano ba ang mga paparating na mga mensahe coming from whatever kind of universe is that? Maraming salamat sa inyong pagpabalik. Maraming pong salamat sa mga suporta. Merong isang card na tumalon. There is a Ace of Pentacles. There is a Six of Pentacles. My God. For this is the reading for the extended ng mga Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na rito na Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, this is about what is going to happen with regards to the last reading, okay? Na it keeps on telling you to be more focused to your money. King of Pentacles, guys. King of Pentacles, more focus to your money, career, finance. Three of Swords, naubos ang pera dahil sa person. And the Nine of Swords, see, this is about the challenges. It's about the challenges coming from the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius na you need to be more focused about how you manage your money, finances. And with regards to helping other people, you are being very advised here not to be more it's not that about more giving, but be more practical. Be more practical when it's spending your money, okay? Parang kung ibig sabihin is that if you don't need it, don't buy it. Eight of Cups, don't block the offers. The Lover's card, connected. The money is connected to love. Oh my God, money is very connected to love. Seven of Cups. So Seven of Cups telling you here that be more cautious about accepting offer, invitation. Three of Wands, someone's like to connect, to call, offering something genuine. Okay? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So that is the reading extended for you. So again, center of the reading will be more focused to money, offer, and related to sa mga person, people that is close to you, connected to you. Accept the offer, but be more practical in accepting it. That is your extended reading. Bye!